What's up YouTube? Jeff back again, and today I got an exciting video for you guys. You guys know it's holiday time, and holiday time means a lot of exciting stuff. There's a lot of great sales going on, and you're probably doing some traveling with the family. But another thing that can happen during the holidays is that if you're using your phone while you're out and about shopping and doing things like that, you may be using it on unsecured Wi-Fi connections, and that of course can be a problem. If you're using on mall Wi-Fi, things like that, people can steal your information. So today I want to talk a little bit about what you can do about that on your Galaxy phone. And one of the best things you can do is use a VPN. The VPN that I use personally is actually Ivacy VPN. Ivacy VPN has a lot of great features. And of course, one of the best features of a VPN is when you do connect to a VPN, like so, using their quick connection if you would like. It's going to ask permission for you to connect. Go ahead and click OK. It'll find the fastest server. Once it does connect, you're then going to have a completely secure connection, which means basically not only are you not going to have any issues with people intercepting your data if you're on a public Wi-Fi, but also if you use a VPN at home, you'll also be able to kind of have anonymous web surfing from your ISP as well. So you don't have to worry about tracking, if your ISP is tracking what you're doing online. It's much more secure in general. See, mine's connected to the Mexico server. You can also choose a particular one. I'm here in Arizona, so it's probably one of the closer ones. Of course, you do get a little notification in the drop-down. If you want to disconnect, just hit the disconnect button. It does show you your speeds and all the things like that in the top as well. You can go over here. There's a lot of different purposes as well, aside from security, for which you might want to use a VPN like Ivacy. One of them is streaming. Obviously, if you're in another country, you're traveling, you may not be able to stream things like Netflix, HBO. You can see all the different things they have here. Netflix, Hulu, HBO Max. Those are some of the big ones we think of here in the US. But if you're abroad, you may not be able to use the US version of those. So you can go ahead and hit the button here to connect. You can also save these to your favorites. Like if you're traveling and you want to have them, you can also go over to countries and kind of choose a particular favorite country to stream online as well. Secure downloading here. You can turn on secure downloading. This will download securely with the advanced server level virus and malware protection. So if you're using like file share sites, you don't have to worry about getting any viruses and downloading things like that. So that will also allow you to do that. You can also choose, again, favorite countries and things like that you want to include at the top. Start unblocking, internet freedom and privacy. Again, you can add favorite countries there as well. Now, I want to show a few more of the more advanced features. Again, you can choose a specific location. You can even choose a specific city. If you go within a specific country, like for instance, the US, go into this country, you can actually choose specific cities within there from this tab. At the bottom, you'll see they have Miami, Phoenix, LA, Chicago, New Jersey, New York, Houston, Atlanta, Washington, Ashburn, San Francisco, Seattle, and Salt Lake. Usually it just chooses the one that's closest to you so you get the fastest connection. And I've actually noticed that Ivacy is very fast compared to other VPNs I've used. One of the things that you'll notice a lot of times when you use a VPN is that you might see a slowdown. I really don't see that much with Ivacy. Now, a couple of other cool features they have is they do have the internet kill switch. If you turn on the internet kill switch, what that's basically going to do is if your VPN for some reason disconnects, then it'll actually completely turn off, allow you to stop browsing the web entirely so that you're not using it in an insecure fashion. Split tunneling, using Ivacy's split tunneling feature, the user can route the traffic coming from a specific application through a VPN tunnel, and the rest of them will be unaffected by the VPN. So this is pretty cool. If you only have one app that you kind of want to use a VPN for secure routing, for instance, if you're at home on your own secure Wi-Fi, but you want an extra layer of security in a particular app, you could do that with the split tunneling capability. So that's something you could do there. Let's go back in here. Multi-port, with Ivacy's multi-port, it's an automatic port selection feature that scans for open ports to quickly connect. The multi-port checks closed or throttled ports and selects the best port for connectivity. So it's an optimization feature. You've got different protocols to choose from. This is really if you kind of have some specific use case for doing this, but they do a nice job of summarizing kind of what you can expect for each one. You can either prioritize reliability, faster speeds, or some combination of the two, which is UDP, which is kind of the default. If you open it up and just start using it right away, that's what you're going to see. You get some more about information here, so you can kind of learn a little bit about Ivacy, their terms and conditions, their privacy policy. Obviously, as with most VPNs, they're not going to share, any of your private information, things like that. You can share Ivacy, refer a friend, and then also right here, a very important one is that you actually can have a TV login. So what you can do is you can open the Ivacy app on your TV, like I have a Samsung Smart TV, scan the QR code, and it'll automatically log you in if you're logged in on your phone. This is obviously really useful because if you have a big TV, it's really hard sometimes to type in your login, your password using the television, and this makes it a lot easier to do that. I really use that a lot when I'm logging in to television. Sometimes you reset your Wi-Fi or change your router, you need to do it again. It makes it more simple to set up. So I think that's most of the features here that I've mentioned. Up here, you can get all very easy help, support. Their support's quite good and robust. They do have a Black Friday sale going on right now. I'm going to drop the link below, and there'll also be a coupon code up here and the pinned comment and description as well, if there's a relevant one for my subscribers, a specific one. But this is their current Black Friday deal, up to 90% off. I'm going to drop this down so you guys can go ahead and just check out. So you can see right here, it'll go directly to the page, proceed to payment, and you can also add on particular security add-ons. They've got dedicated IP or port forwarding. If you need one of those services, you can add it in addition. So you can see if you choose the 5-year plan, you're going to get it for $1 or less, and that's up to 10 devices for $1 a month. That's a crazy deal. That's less money than you spend on your coffee, just for getting great security when using public Wi-Fi. And like I said, those other pieces of mind when you travel or when you're at home and you just want to kind of protect your information from your ISP. So I definitely want to give a huge shout out to my friends at Ivacy for sponsoring the video, helping keep us safe in the holiday season on our Samsung Galaxy devices. Hope you guys will check them out. If you liked the video, please like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification icon for future videos like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks a lot for watching.